So we got a good video for today. It is a Tuesday and we are in Swansea, Massachusetts today. We're going to be doing some generator maintenance. And for everyone who doesn't know, we service all sorts of generators. We do Generac, we'll do Kohler, we'll do any sort of standby generator. We will service it, we'll maintain it, and we also do repair work and even new installation. So if any of you guys need that sort of service, you can give us a call. But anyways, when I was taking a look at this generator, I ended up finding out that all the oil was leaking out of the valve cover. And when I pulled that valve cover off, I found a ton of large fragments of rubber in there and also little tiny fragments of rubber. And this thing was completely full of it. So here I'm cleaning the valve cover out with a nice pick here. I'm trying to get all those little tiny small rubber fragments out. And then also there was some larger ones that I was able to pull out of there. I'm going to spray everything down and flush everything out with brake parts cleaner. I basically used the whole entire can trying to flush everything out. I cleaned out all those springs, all the rockers. We got those all cleaned. And now I'm cleaning the gasket mating surface here. You might be asking yourself, why are you doing that? Well, the reason for that is I tried to call for that actual gasket and all the vendors we deal with. None of them had it in stock. I had to get this generator running for the next day. So it was critical that I use an RTV gasket maker in this situation. This gasket maker is just rated for gear oil. It's going to be perfectly fine. And you want to make sure that you apply a liberal bead there, but not too much so the engine doesn't ingest it or you're going to be back to square one. I changed out the battery there. That battery was dead for the automatic start. So we changed that out with a nice fresh battery. And now I'm going to be putting in some 10W30 full synthetic oil here. That's what the manufacturer calls for. And I completely flushed all that oil out and got all those rubber fragments out. And as you can see, that's what the gasket looked like. I mean, this thing was just a complete mess. I'm also going to change the spark plug out because that other one was black. It was covered in oil. It was all full of soot. And that was the issue why the engine was running so poorly. And now the generator is running perfectly. It's idling perfectly. And as you can see, I can't really show you with the audio, but on the voltmeter right there, you can see that it's right where we want it. And now we're going to be servicing the second generator here. This is a Generac generator. And here's a little pro tip. Use a little bit of aluminum foil as a basically funnel, and it will prevent you from spilling oil all over the concrete and mulch. So if you're in the Massachusetts area and you're looking for a high-quality electrician who takes pride in their work, give us a call. We're taking new clients. We have appointments available, and it's always free estimates.